name is Aaron O, and today for my computer science final, I made a weather app. And so, how it works, I put in the name of the city, like Berlin, for example, and I click on the search button, and it comes out with the information like the temperature, the humidity, and the wind speed of that certain city. And so, how I did it is I made an account on Open Weather Map, and I created my own API key, and so I used the API key in a constant, and then I used fetch in order to get information from that certain API URL by putting the API key into that URL, and then from that I only wanted information about the city, the temperature, the humidity, and the wind speed. So I used the query selector in order to get only information about that, and then I used if and else if statements so that if the weather is like clear, then it will come up with information or it will come up with a photo of it being clear. And if it was raining, then I'll have like an image of like a cloud with rain pouring down from it. And then for like the design, I used HTML. I had experience from engineering class on how to make websites. So I use like to like adjust the sizes. I just use like width equals, height equals, and then I use like font sizes and I created different classes for each one so that I can organize it. And also I created a placeholder for the search bar, and I use CSS in order to make the search bar like circle, like around instead of a normal rectangle, and like the search button as well. And in order for the search button to actually work, I use this code over here where I did the add event listener. And so if I click on the search bar, then the information would deliver. But if I had time, I would make it so if I also clicked enter on my keyboard, then information would also appear. And uh, I would also focus on like more of the design of the website. And for example, if I put in like a random gibberish into this search bar and then I entered, the information will come out as undefined. And so